Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to get the new mythical epic Frozzra and Prodigy, so let's get into the video. Alright, so before we start, this is January 3rd now, and it just came out. I had just made a video talking about what it was going to be, and released it just as I realized that the mythical epic was now out. So, if you saw that video, sorry that you got a random, thing that said that I posted a video. Alright, so before I start showing you how to get it, we're gonna see what it looks like by going to items and buddies, and now we have to find it. So there it is, Frozzra, and this is actually really cool. I really like how this looks. Now I can't show you what attacks it has and stuff because that hack isn't working right now, but let's go ahead and get into obtaining it. But yeah, now let's go ahead and get into obtaining it. So we will head to the pet book, and we are in the mythical epic section, and there it is, Frozzra quest status. Collect 4 Moth Globes, collect 5 frozen silk, and collect 6 icy cocoons. So let's start off with the Moth Globe. The Moth Globe looks pretty cool. So we're going to start off in Firefly Forest, and we will go to the left. Also, the January member box came out. I made a short saying that the buddy was going to look really cool. I take that back, it looks really bad. It was a big missed opportunity by Prodigy. It looks like a seahorse. In fact, I'm pretty sure it is a seahorse. I'm pretty sure it's called like the sea dragon. Why didn't they just make a normal dragon? Alright, so we're already 2 for 2 on Moth Globes. But yeah, it was really disappointing to open the box, or to like put it on, because it looks not very good. But anyways, I gotta do a battle. Alright, so let's open up this one, and there's our first miss. Let's see, how many monsters are we gonna get to spawn here? 3. Alright, we're 3 for 4, so we're doing pretty good. Now I have to do another battle. Alright, so let's head up now. And any monsters spawn here? Yeah. But, okay, that's weird. Why did it only give 1 if there were 2 slots there? Okay, so we're not doing as good anymore, but we're still doing pretty good. Okay, so now we're going to head up again. And there's no monsters on this side, that's good. And we do not get a Moth Globe. So we started off pretty good, we're not doing as good now. But we'll head back down, and I think we're gonna have to do a battle here, unless we can skip it. Yeah, we did not skip it. So now let's head up. And I feel like there used to be one here, but I could be wrong. So we're gonna head up here. I don't know where monsters spawn here. Okay, we might have to battle both of them, or we battle none of them. Okay, this isn't good right now. We have 1 more to go. We're 0 for our last something. And we're gonna have to do 2 battles here. And here we go, we're opening our final one. Hopefully we get one. And we don't. That's disappointing. We started off 3 for 4, and then didn't get the rest. So now I think we're getting frozen silk. I think that's what it said. So I'm gonna start off by going to the right. And where's the monster? Okay, we can avoid that. Okay, yeah, it is called Frozen Silk. Now let's go up here. Didn't they, like, remove genders from Prodigy? It's just whatever you look like, you look like. Okay, they removed the monster from up here. And we didn't get anything good. So, let's open up this balloon. Still not anything good. So we're like 1 for 3. I'm trying to avoid this squawks, because you can. Why is this happening? Okay, we avoided. Bruh. So, now let's head to the right. And I think there's a balloon on this screen. We'll see. So, there is not one here, but we do get to battle a Tri-Beak Storm Cloud. Alright, let's head down now. And, alright, there's another Tri-Beak Storm Cloud. We're not gonna battle it this time. Alright, let's open this up now. And we got another Frozen Silk. So we have like 2 now. Let's head back and we'll go up this time, not click that. Now let's head up. And where are the monsters? Alright, we only have to battle 1. I think that's an Arbite. Okay, let's open up this one. Alright, that's 3 out of the 5 that I think we need. And we're gonna have to battle that. I think I could have avoided it though. Alright, now we can open it. And there we go, we have a 4 out of the 5 we need. I think there are like 2 or 3 more to open. So let's head down here. And we'll avoid whatever this is called, a Voltus. And there we go, that should do it. Yep, there we go. And let's go ahead and do the 6 icy cocoons, which obviously are in Shiver Chill. So let's go up here to start off. And we're gonna go up again. In here. And do we have to do battle? Yep, we have battle of Claricious. Alright, let's open up this. And there we go, we got 1. So now let's head down. And up. And okay, we get a free pass. Let's open up this. Let's head over here. And we have to battle Illuminites. Alright, let's go ahead and open up this. And we got another Icy Cocoon, so we're like 3 for 4 here, I think. And now let's head right. I think we can avoid, we might be able to avoid the monsters here. Let's test it. And we did not. But let's go ahead and open this up. And we didn't get anything good. I think we have 3, maybe 4. So we're in a good spot right now. Now we have to battle this. Alright. Hopefully we can avoid this Shardik. We can. And I think we're gonna have to do a battle here. Yep, we are. Against a Keeper. Alright, let's open up this. And nothing good. Now let's head over here. And where are the pets? Okay, we're gonna have to battle another Luminite. Alright. Now we will open up this chest, slash crate, slash whatever you want to call it. We didn't get anything good, so now we're gonna head up. We didn't get into a battle with the Keeper, which is good. We're gonna have to battle this Frostfang now, though. Alright, let's open up this. And there we go. So I think we're at like 4 or 5 now. So I don't think we can finish up Shiver Chill. But we'll still go ahead and open up the final one. Let's see if we can avoid Tortoise. We can. And I don't think we're going to be able to avoid. Yep, we are going to have to do another battle. Right, let's go ahead and open this final crate up. And we did not get a final cocoon, but we are going to get to do a battle with Frozzra, I believe. Yeah, Frozzra, it says it right there. So we actually only got 3. I thought we got more. But let's find Eve. Is her name? Yeah, it's not Eve. It's Ola. Also, I was looking through the code during this video, and it turns out that there's like something new with the quest, maybe. It like, where do I need to go? I think I need to go up here. But with the quest, they're gonna, like, give you stuff to start off. You can probably check the wiki. I'm gonna make a post there, probably, about it. Okay, there we go. There is Frozzra. What's gonna happen? Okay. That wasn't what I wanted to happen. Alright, here we go. Hopefully we can battle Frozzra now. There we go. And this looks really cool. I really like how this epic looks. And it's... oh my gosh, it just one-shot Lumibolts. That is not good, so now I have to do some math. So, we only have 2 pets left. So, it could be that this pet is incredibly strong. So we did 617. 606, yeah. Ice Frozzra is kind of feeling a little bit OP. Just by looking at how much damage it's doing. Okay, we got the question right. Let's go ahead and use Flame Burst. And 686 damage. So yeah, that was the battle against Buzzro. We're still gonna have to do 2 more things to get it fully tamed though. But yeah, that is going to go ahead and end with the video. If you enjoyed, make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.